Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Corolla. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, automatic air conditioning, low tire pressure warning. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.